Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today is the 7th day of chapter 4, India Political Divisions. In the previous class we had learnt about the landform, climate, rivers and the visiting places of the southern states. Let's take the feedback through cross questions. What is the climate of Telangana? Which are the tourist places of Kerala? What is the landform of Tamil Nadu? What is the climate of Karnataka? Name the rivers that flow through Andhra Pradesh. Name the visiting places of Telangana. Children, I hope you are able to answer these questions. Now, today I am going to discuss Western states. Children, there are 4 Western states: Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now let's discuss these Western states with their capitals and their neighboring states. Goa. Goa is one of the smallest states in India. Its capital is Panaji. It shares its boundary with Maharashtra and Karnataka. The next state is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India. Its capital is Mumbai. It is bordered by the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Goa. The next state is Gujarat. Gujarat is situated on the western coast of India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Its neighbouring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The next state is Rajasthan. It is the largest Indian state by area. Its capital is Jaipur. It is bordered by the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Now let's discuss these western states with the help of a chart. Number 1 is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. The neighbouring states of Rajasthan are Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Number 2 is Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Its neighbouring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The next state is Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Its neighbouring states are Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Number 4 is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Its neighbouring states are Maharashtra and Karnataka. Now let's discuss the landform, climate, rivers and the visiting places of these western states. Goa. Goa is a state in western India which is known for its beaches. Its coastal area is plain and fertile and its climate is hot and humid. The main river that flows through Goa is Mandovi. The visiting places of Goa are Panaji, Anjuna Beach, Butterfly Beach, etc. The next state is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western peninsular region of India. Its landform is rocky and uneven. The climate of Maharashtra is hot and humid. The Krishna, the Godavari and the Tapi are the major rivers in the state. The visiting places of Maharashtra are Mumbai, Ajanta Caves, Shirdi, etc. The next state is Gujarat. Gujarat is located on the country's western coast facing the Arabian Sea. It has the longest coastline. The coastal area is plain and fertile, and some part of its landform is marshy. Its climate is hot and humid. The rivers that flow through Gujarat are Tapi and Sabarmati. The visiting places of Gujarat are Gandhinagar, Surat, Gir National Park, etc. The next state is Rajasthan. The landform of Rajasthan is dry and sandy. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The rivers that flow through Rajasthan are Luni and Chambal. The visiting places of Rajasthan are Jaipur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, etc. Now let's discuss these western states with the help of a chart. Number 1. Rajasthan. Its landform is dry and sandy. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Luni and Chambal are the main rivers of Rajasthan. The tourist places of Rajasthan are Jaipur, Udaipur, etc. Number 2 is Gujarat. The landform of Gujarat is plain, fertile, and some part of its landform is marshy. Its climate is hot and humid. The main rivers that flow through Gujarat are Sabarmati and Tapi. The visiting places of Gujarat are Gandhinagar, Surat, etc. Number 3 is Maharashtra. The landform of Maharashtra is rocky and uneven. Its climate is hot and humid. The main rivers that flow through Maharashtra are Godavari and Tapi. The tourist places of Maharashtra are Mumbai, Shirdi, etc. Number 4 is Goa. The landform of Goa is plain and fertile. Its climate is hot and humid. The main river that flows through Goa is Mandovi. The tourist places of Goa are Panaji, Anjuna Beach, etc. Children, I hope that today's topic is clear to you. Now your homework is to revise the western states with their capitals, neighboring states, landform, climate, rivers and tourist places. Thank you.